Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex and the Auertech. Both machines offer unique features and benefits, making them ideal for small spaces like apartments and dorms. We'll look at their capacities, power specifications, and additional features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Auertech portable washing machine takes the lead with a washing capacity of 28 pounds, compared to Giantex's 20 pounds. This means the Auertech can handle larger loads, making it a better option for families or those with more laundry needs. The Giantex, while smaller, is still suitable for individual users or small households. In terms of features, the Auertech model includes a drain pump, which simplifies the water disposal process after washing. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who want to avoid manual draining. On the other hand, the Giantex lacks this feature, requiring users to manually drain the water, which can be less convenient. Price is always a significant factor when making a purchase. The Giantex washing machine is priced at $159, making it a more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the Auertech comes in at $269, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, either option could be the right choice. In conclusion, both the Giantex and Auertech portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a more affordable option and don't mind manual draining, the Giantex is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a drain pump, the Auertech is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.